Welcome back to the Professor Plumb channel. And today we've got a special camera woman. Sean, you're a cleaner, aren't you?
Yeah.
Are you used to horrible things that stink?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, so let me tell you about this job. Look down on the floor. Right. So, in camera up. Got to be a good camera woman. So, the landlord of the pub, we're at the Lazy Pub, has told me that basically, in his broken English, has told me that the cistern is not working. So all I've done is I've just turned it back on up here because the isolation was just turned off. Turned the isolation on, filled this up, and what happened? It just poured everywhere. So he said, no, I want you to fix the cistern, but when I turn it on, water pisses out everywhere. That's because it's all blocked up. So we're going to be replacing urinal traps. Don't. Come on, you've got to earn your money. So, we're getting gloved up today. Sorry, the toilet's closed.
Yeah, no, come on.
Oh.
Something.
No.
Are you sure?
No, we'll be fine.
Okay.
So, let's get these traps off. Well, first off, do you know what? I'm just going to take these off whole. I'm just going to replace them. Oh, no, look. Okay. Let's see if we can tighten up the waste outlet first. This is going to be the worst camera work in the world, I can tell already.
I know, because I've got to pull my trousers up so they're going away.
It's not wee, I promise you, it's just clean water on the floor. Right. Just going to disconnect this trap. Oh, look at that black, brown water coming out. Do you know what that is? That's called piss granulates. You see, it's the body salts and other things that are in human urine compact into a nice crystallised form, especially people with diabetes and such things. So let's just gently take this off and we can see inside. Can you see inside there? That one doesn't actually look too bad, to be honest with you. In fact, that's really not that bad. Which is not a good sign, because it means this could be blocked up. But let's take this off completely, and we're going to just swap it out. I've got all new bottle traps for everything in here. So we're just going to be putting on these Macau point, they're just 1.5 inch bottle traps. Okay, that one really isn't that bad, which is worrying. Okay, the smell's starting to come out. Okay, let's get that on quick. There you go. Are you starting to get the smell?
Not yet.
Not yet. Good for you. I am. Bottle trap 1. That is on. Okay. Bottle trap 2.
That looks mega.
I know, it's worrying me that these aren't that blocked up. Okay, they are pretty blocked up. The thing is, oh, look, you can see it all coming out there. It's all clinging to the walls.
Huh?
But it's clinging to the walls of the pipe. Oh, this is so gross. So far, the smell hasn't like gone straight up me yet. I think I'm keeping my face far enough away from this.
You can see it all coming out.
Oh, okay, this one's come on. There we go. Right. Right, so I think we're going to just test this first one here to see whether or not this Sounds good. Okay. I think what we need to do is, before we, I think we just replace all three. We'll turn this on and we'll have a look. If it pours all over the floor, you can't get any more wet in here. So, see they're heavy. So I know they're pretty blocked up. I don't never bother cleaning these or trying to fix them, just replace them. Oh, this is so horrible, what a job.
This is literally the stuff that we do. Like
What, you do this?
biohazard cleaning.
Biohazard cleaning, right.
Yeah. And we'd be all masked up and booted in a full suit and everything on.
Face visor.
Yeah, literally.
Wow, that one's bad. Right, so we've got all these banged on. So now, let me just take my gloves off. I'm going to open up that isolation valve and get this filled up. Well, where's my... we need a screwdriver. Right, so usually these have a drip feed. All they've done is they put 2 isolations on, so we're just going to open it up. Here, that's filling up quick. So it's got like a, I can't remember the mechanism inside, but as soon as it goes over, it starts siphoning it and just pull the rest out. So it shouldn't take long, it should start coming through. I'm going to take these little piss mats out. So far, I can't see it spilling over there. That's starting to back up. Camera angles. It's not looking too good.
Why is it stopping?
Because it's draining this whole tank. There's nothing we can do about it. All we've got to do is just mop it up. Lovely. So you know what that means? It means that that there is blocked up. Which isn't any fun at all. There we go. We so long takes to use the drain. Far too long. In fact, we're going to lob a load of this down there whilst right, so before I go rolling that, I'll then just start mopping up, I suppose. Right, I'll see you in 5 minutes. Okay, so it's not flushing away, as you can tell. We've mopped up, so what's going to come out. So what we're going to do is take this section of pipe off, if we can. Spin. Let's leave it there. Right, disconnect it there. All of these. I'm going to drag it out. Put it down here. I'll give it a good whack. And we'll look down it, see whether or not it's actually a clear run all the way through, which is really annoying. That smells starting to come out now. Really releasing the flavour here. That is fuck. Wow. Just take it off and we'll see if it's that. Fuck. Okay. Sorry, it's not. Can't use it.
Alright.
No.
Fuck. A patron to the pub just tried to come in. He understood my circumstances. Oh god, let me just wash out my hands. Oh god, hold on, everything. It stinks in here bad. Oh. How have you been so casual about this? This is horrendous. Okay, one. I said I'll never do this again, and why am I doing it? What's the next stage? Just say, sorry, get a drainage specialist in.
Yeah, that's what they did to mine.
Cut the losses and fuck off. Yeah, but they would call me if you said no. I would be the drainage guy. I'll be the next step. Screwdriver. What do I do with that?
I don't know, not with
Oh,
that.
there it is. Oh, here we go. Try it again. Fine, let's actually put the buckets try to pour in what we've got left. Down there. That seems better. This is the most worst one, so. Oh, that looks better. Right, let's put those under there anyway. Right, let's get this bad boy turned on. I hate my job, I don't lie. At times, it's difficult being a plumber. Miserable sometimes. Here we go. Here we go. No! It's still going, still overflowing. So we know it's not only that bolt right there, we know it's not the traps. It's only that last little bit, but that looks fine. The thing is though, the toilet's flushing fine. As far as I can tell, the toilet was flushing fine. Right, here we go again. Let's do some more cleaning up. Right, so we're back over 24 hours later. Put descaler in every single one, whole bottle. Which is not up here no more, and the landlord had some old one shot, the good stuff, the real like acidic stuff. So we put that down there, it's poured down buckets, took the buckets away. So let me just show you very quickly. There's our 2 baller fix. Just fill it up quick, just so you can see it running. It doesn't take long, it's literally, there we go. And we can see all 3. Come on. Are taking it away lovely. Now these are old and they've had a bit of a clean out. Thing is, you don't want to be too rough with it because then you can end up with it spraying over the edge. There we go. And we've also got an anti-vac trap. I was a bit worried that it could have been because it just was not. It was like, what do you call it? You can hear it going, you can hear it running down the bog, and there we go, we're all done. And we just set that drip, so just going in. Customer wants it going in about every hour on the hour. So hopefully he's going to time that, and that should be about an hour. Right, there we go. It's an unusual one to come back on a Saturday and pop in on the way back from watching the football, and we fucking won 3-2. Get it. I was just like, oh shit, yeah, I'll pop back. Now it is my local pub, and it is always plums. Advantageous to work at local businesses. If you work at local businesses and you work at local cafes and places like that, they remember. They remember. If you want a bit of extra bacon on the burger, don't worry, my friend, it's free. So it's all sorted. Now the camera work was horrendous because I've already edited the first half of more than half of the video. And the camera work was absolutely shite, I know. So that's why this is just a little Sunday bonus video. So if you did like that sort of thing, trust me, the usual videos, much better camera work. But yeah, hit that subscribe button. Also, yeah, there you go. Oh, and this is the thing. This job here, when I spoke to the customer and said, look mate, I've replaced the bottle traps, I've taken the pipe off, I've cleaned all that through, there was a lot that didn't get recorded of, I put a drain snake down there, I could only get so far, it was like there was just something just completely blocking it, couldn't get past it. Customer said, well, I said, how long's, it seems mad that it's this blocked up, and I said, how long has it not been flushing? He said, over a year. Over a year, people have been pissing down there without it flushing, without it diluting it down and taking it away, clearing it out, clearing out the pipes. That's what the fresh, clean water does. So that is what happens if you do not flush your piss away. It will eventually block the pipes. Imagine that. Imagine that piss blocks pipes. Big 50mm pipes. Yes, it will do. So there we go. Right, I'm off home. I just want to chill out. So I'll see you on the next one.